Hello, hello, hello. I want to cook in the middle of the night. I want to cook broccoli with beef broccoli pala. Sorry for the messy hair because I'm too much hungry in the middle of the night. That's why I want to cook broccoli, beef broccoli pala. We slice this one and it's tiny, small. Small, it's tiny. Because I love vegetable. Vegetable is good. That's why we cut into small pieces. Gusto ko yung laging nagluluto. Gusto ko yung tataba. Small pieces. Diba? Sarap kumain ng kumain. Basta may lulutuin. Ang gulo-gulo ng buhok ko talaga. Messy. Natuto akong magluto lang sa kakapanood ko ng YouTube channel. Charan. Small pieces. So, this is one na. It's done. Tatanin small pieces. Parang baliw lang ako. Then, the next is sibuyas. In English, onion. Sponsored by Charan Driver. Kaya sakit sana sa mata. Ay, naku. Iiyak ko naman dumakbo. I wanna cry because of this onion. Then, small. We will cut into these small pieces. Also, para mas masarap. Dami ng luto. Ha? Ano lang? Gusto ko lang. Clip ko lang. Small. Buo talaga ng buhok. Oh my God. Pero, okay lang. That's my normal me. No edit, no filter. I'm gonna cook and I'm gonna eat. Oh my God, I think I'm crying now. So much this one, but this is enough. Then let's cut the bawang. In English, let's crush the garlic. That's why the taste become good. But I wanna cry. The onion. It's disaster, this onion. It's make me cry. I hate too much this onion. So I then cut this one pieces. The onion. It makes me cry. Oh my God. Then the next is, what's the next is, Luana and this And the next is the beef. Let's cut also into small pieces to make it fast cook. Fast cook. Small pieces only. Small pieces. Chan. Dapat pa magluto ko yung mas love cooking. These ingredients ko. The nice cook. Sarap. Delicious. Nice. That's why I'm having messy because I sleep early. Then I wake up 12 o'clock. Then the middle of the night, I'm too much hungry. That's why I'm gonna cook. Because I love cooking. I love also cook. This is the taba. Let's gonna try. Let's gonna cook. Kasi gusto ko kasi may 2 day off ako kasi. Dahil hardworking daw kami sabi ng boss ko. We are hardworking, that's why I'll give you 1 day extra off first. Diba? So yan. So, dahil it's 10 days na naman na curfew, si lockdown. Sana libok. Hindi okay na lahat. No virus. Because that virus is very dangerous. No business, no money. And let's pray our country because hindi normal, back to normal because it's affect our family, not only us. Especially in the Philippines, they don't have money, they don't have income, then that's why. Then it's gonna decide. I'm gonna put na. Messy. First. When I'm cooking, I want to use this one. Kahoy. Si kahoy. Because this what do you call this in English? What do you call this thing about John? What do you call this is? I don't know what's the name is this. That is kahoy sa just wait and heat the pan. Heat the pan and nothing. Because this I know na it's ladle. This is ladle. the life of OFW in Saudi. Ah, because I'm only 1 year in the kitchen, that's why I'm crazy always. This is I'm cooking. This is beef broccoli. This is beef broccoli and beef. Ninakaw ko sa ekran. Yung beef kasi ilang totoo this one. Then I'm gonna use olive oil for the olive oil for the best like no cholesterol. Sagi. Gawin ko. That's what I do. I don't get that. Cooking. I love cooking. I love cooking. If the oil is already hot, we're gonna put this one. First, this garlic. Garlics. This smells good. Garlic. Oh. Just put the garlic, and the next is onion. Nice smell. And make it brown. And then we are gonna put this first, the beef. Because we must gigisa muna natin ang baka until to become tender. It's very makunat. This become a chef before, but hindi pala. We put some small amount of salt to taste the beef salt. This is the idle salt. Idle salt. Idle salt. Tagay pa. Pancit canton, pancit canton. I think this is 1 hour to cook. Tagay. Pagkutin na ako. Yeah, let's post nagnakaw ako ng tinapay sa ref namin. Kasi sabi ko nga ba, nagugutom na ako. I'm too much hungry, that's why. But anyway, thank you for this pudding. Wala na. Wala pala ito. I think the beef is already tender. Then we put the broccoli. Charan, ito na pag-let's put na. Until the broccoli is either not here. Select of the blue inside the very hard. Because you don't have family here, or friends, family. So right. For our family, we need to do this. And especially the family. This time. The next step is also. Until it's soften. Sorry. Hindi na kumakano naman ang English. A little bit English only. Then, we're gonna put some water. We have great. And steam. Let's bite. Wala. Broccoli is the what do you call that? Very good, because it's vegetable, and then it's it's good. It's good. Let's you try to do this one, broccoli with beef with broccoli. It's very nutritious food to prevent. I read before to prevent cancer or what. What's mean this is? That's why it's better to eat vegetable than beef, chicken. But fish is good. But I eat chicken, but nothing to do. We don't have nothing to do because chicken is not expensive. It's cheap only here in Saudi. Then you will buy wings, the neck, whole chicken. But I don't like too much. I only a little chicken. And I prefer to up in province. Only we eat there is only vegetables. Sometimes only in 1 week. Uh, 1 week maybe two times we eat beef or chicken or pork before, but most of all the time is vegetable because we are plant in the backyard, in our backyard. That's it, backyard. In our backyard. Okay, let's we put that is patis in English is pesos to become salty. Instead of salt, I put this is a little bit, maybe not too much. Inshallah, the broccoli is nice. Then I will taste the sauce. Maybe it's good, salty, or need salt. Ang sarap. I like it. I put some orange because we don't have lemon and I want to become small, a little sour, but we don't have them. I use this one orange. Ensure the taste is good. Taste is good. Taste is good. The taste is good. Inshallah, the taste is good. Because it's better to marinate that one, but because I'm too much hungry now, and I want to eat this one. Because if I don't cook this one, I will dream the food. Why? That's why. Let's taste. That's all. I don't know if this broccoli is soft, no. I'm very shocked. I will cook maybe 2 minutes more. And let's gonna put my mix. This is the secret. Magic stuff means if you use this one, the taste become magic. It become delicious. Instead of what do you call the betsin? I don't know the English of betsin, but same this one. Magic seasoning granules. Yun po. And yun steam. This is how to cook broccoli with beef, or beef with broccoli. Beef with broccoli. Then taste it. The taste is good. It's good na. The magic sarap. That's why it's magic that is. Then it's nice, very nice. That's why I use magic sarap. I want a little bit sour. But this orange is not sour, it's sweet. But I think it's better to put a little bit skin of this one. Skin of the I make experiment. The skin of the orange I will put here. We're gonna taste it if what's the taste this. That's good. Then I'm gonna taste. But before I don't know how to cook. Seriously. I only watch movies of YouTube. Then if I want something, if I don't know how to do this one, and I search in the YouTube. Thank you YouTube because I learned this. No, I like it. Let's set this. A little bit salty. Salt. But it's okay. Here we go. Good. It's done now. Tara, let's see. This is the finished product of my beef broccoli. So, let's eat na. Too much hungry na. Then, that's why I will eat. Hello, let's eat na. This is my finished product, beef with broccoli. This is my little bit of rice. Because it's a middle of the night, then I only want a little bit. Then to become I want to sleep. Then that's it na. Then what's my next vlog before I want to cook okay also because I'm like that. I'm craving like a pregnant, but I'm not pregnant. Then let's eat. Thank you. It's awesome. Yeah, yummy. Yep. Yummy, delicious. I love it. Bye. I'll eat first.